I'm Michael Brooks, MPower UPS, and today we're having a look at our modular UPS unit. This is the Modulera. This particular frame is a 60 kVA N+1 frame. As you can see, at the moment it's holding 3 power modules. Each one of these power modules is 20 kVA. So we've got 20, 40, 60 kVA. There's an extra blanking plate here. Behind here there's room to put another power module. So that will give us our N+1. So 60 kVA N+1 system in a very, very small footprint. Each power module contains a rectifier, an inverter and a static switch, and all the control circuitry to monitor and control the UPS. Each one effectively is a separate UPS system. That means that if one should fail, the load is effectively carried and controlled by the remaining units. There's no separate intelligence module and there's no separate static switch module, so there's no single point of failure. Now this isn't a control module, this is an interface. Purely interfaces with the display on the front of the unit. The display itself is a touchscreen display, but it's also got control buttons so you can manoeuvre through the menu and interrogate each unit separately, or the system parameters as a whole. The front display has a summary of the operation of all the modules that are inside the unit, and it also gives you the total output current, output power, power factor, all the readings that you need. On every frame there is a maintenance bypass breaker, so the system has its own internal maintenance bypass. You also have an output breaker and a battery breaker. On this 60 kVA frame, the cable entry is at the front at the base of the unit. There are bigger size units as well. The frame sizes are 100 kVA and 200 kVA. So the 200 kVA frame holds 10 of the power units. On that unit, the cable bus bars are at the centre of the unit, so that you can have top cable entry or bottom cable entry. It's very easy to connect up.